May not nurse home, but I'm gonna tell y'all a secret. As soon as I can get out of here, I'm always bumping into things, these nurse homes, because it's a very tight squeeze. I'm gonna tell you a couple secrets about nurse homes. Alright, the first one, all they do is try to make money off the residents. You know, they send to the hospital doing unnecessary tests, all kind of stuff. You know, you're basically the product. And more police basically try to demonize you, don't show no respect, looks like crazy. You know, and all this is would it make money? Would it be rehab? I mean, this shit is so basic. Like, what are you really learning? Nothing. And when you get up, they kick you out. And then the other secret is, you stink. All people stink. If you wonder why nurse homes always smell like shit, because old people stink. And they never get a proper shower. So they should stink. Alright?